Bitcoin might seem boring right now, but when it pumps, you're going to be shocked. It will change everything forever. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5, staying alive here in Germany, Munich, actually. And I'm going to be actually leaving to Austria shortly, just here for a little while, and then going to be traveling after Austria back to Germany. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling, but still trying to do these shows whilst I'm traveling. Might not be able to do every show, but I will try to do as many as I possibly can. And we've got some interesting news for you and stuff like that for you guys to check out. And of course, we're going to be doing some TA and how to trade this monumental event with Bitcoin that's coming up, especially with, I've told you about the elections and stuff like that, but that's nothing compared to, what Bitcoin could really do once people realize it is the money. And if you're interested in trading, right, you can trade this 2bit.davincij15.com. You just have to head over to davincij15.com, sign up here, and you can join my private group for if you sign up, deposit $100 and you have access and you could actually trade. Okay. Also, you could trade this at coinw.davincij15.com. The link is in the description below. Wow, what'd you guys do to WAFFLES, man? You guys went and bought it up. Like, save some for the rest of the children, man. Jesus. Alrighty, moving on to Bitcoin. Man, this map is telling us that 130K is the top here. Honestly, I think that this is really low. I think Bitcoin, once people see the value that, hey, wait a second here. Are you telling me that governments can't take it from me? That when I decide to do something with my business, the government can't freeze my bank account, my Bitcoins, that I can actually transact freely to anyone and I can, and there's no one can stop me? And it can't be stopped, the system, and no one can cheat it? Man, dude, this is why there's Bitcoin and everything else. Please understand that concept, right? Whilst the government, if they want to, they have enough guns to go after any other cryptocurrency and stop it or change it or make things the way they want it. Can't do that with Bitcoin. Did you hear what I said? They can't do that with Bitcoin. So you better have some Bitcoin, because once this explodes, it's going to be absolutely incredible. UK bank bans customers from performing crypto transactions starting May 30th. Well, they're saying it's because of crime and scams and stuff like that. And yeah, there's scams with the dollar. So should we ban dollars? Should we ban you British pounds too? Right? Anybody dealing with British pounds? Because hey, a lot of scams going on. British pounds. Oh my God. So anyways, yeah, obviously this is to protect them because, this is what happened to JPMORGAN Bank when they tried to buy some Bitcoin. Boom. They realized it just destroys the bank, right? This is what's going to happen to banks once Bitcoin becomes money. Boom. They're just done. They're finished. So they're trying to get out ahead of that, right? They have to, or else it would be game over. And a medical firm, SEMLER Scientific, invests in Bitcoin, acquires 581 BTC. Okay, that's $40 million in Bitcoin. And I want you to understand that this is the trickle of companies understanding, oh, so I can protect my wealth against government. So when they come after me, I can use that wealth to help to defend myself. I get it. I can either defend myself or leave the country with that wealth. So you see, a lot of companies are getting it. And I hope you understand this is why Bitcoin won't blow through that 140, whatever. What did he say here? 130K in this cycle. Majorly. Because, the political atmosphere is moving towards this, talking about Bitcoin, and even Trump is looking into how it could help solve the debt problem, which it can. Moving to Bitcoin and seeing what the price action is. We're seeing that Bitcoin, yeah, it's a little bit choppy here, and we're trying to figure out what it wants to do on a daily basis. On the 4-hour, right, you can see that you could have gotten messed up heavily with Bitcoin when it took off and then come back down. I would wait for, Bitcoin to come to the 65K and, maybe do a 3x long here so that you don't get wiped out if it continues down. And if you add to it as it comes back down, that would be the best thing, because Bitcoin is getting ready for a big move. Now, whether it moves, this month, next month, or the month after, it doesn't really matter. You want to be positioned in this trade heavily, 3x if you want to, and so that this way that you can actually see huge gains, and then add as it comes back down is what I would suggest you do for the average person who wants to trade this. And you can do that trade at Bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Right. All right. Let's head over to Ethereum and see what we can see. Oh man, you know what? I did have a trade. I remember I did have a trade here, and it got stopped out, and then of course it hit the target, and then it's gone up. Right. Just how it is, right? Anyways, if you hit the buy order at this level, because I did tell you guys that this red line was a good buying opportunity. Yeah, there it is. You are back in this game again. Ethereum looks ready to run, but I know this is like looking at this. It has a little bit of a downtrend here, little bit, but looks like it might have dissipated. Let's see here. Control C, Control V. It's a parallel lines, and it's broken through. Now, if it can continue breaking out, that means we're heading higher. But if we come back in here, we could end up back down below this level. So if we do look to buy, in this zone here, I think this would be a nice area to be a buyer. If we get into between the 37.85 and the 36.76 area is where you'll see a nice target area to be a buyer of Ethereum. And you can buy Ethereum, of course, at Bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Now, I did a video of Shiba Inu a long time ago, and some people forgot to put it up, right? And I'm sorry, but it was late. But hey, it was telling you that if we broke out above the 2,500 area, that it was going to continue going higher, and even above the 33,000. You still have an opportunity to buy, but I wouldn't be buying up here. I'd wait for some sort of pullback, maybe to the 2,700-ish area is where you probably want to look for an actual entry into Shiba if you missed it. That's the target. That's the entry level. The target is not that high, so keep that in mind. It's only like 6,000. That's the target up here. I know that's only a double. Oh my God, poverty time. But that's a target. Can it go higher? Yes, it can. But that is the most likely target for Shiba. Now, looking at, let's do like a fib retracement. Let's see what that says, because that might give us something a little bit more higher. Yeah, I thought so. For anywhere between the 6,000. Yeah, so this is the target, guys. Sorry. Yeah, I would not try to hold this beyond that. Can it go? Yes. Will it go? I think the odds are very low that it will continue up beyond that level, because I think there's also another Fibonacci level at that area. So I'll talk about that Fibonacci level at another date. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. I know I did, and I always enjoy doing these videos for you guys. So make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe, and see you guys next time. Cheers.